What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, that's right, it's still me. Just figured I'd shave. By the time you guys are watching this video, hopefully it should be March 20th, which is my birthday. So make sure to go ahead down below and wish me a happy birthday, guys. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, by the time you guys are watching this, it should be my birthday, if I get this video out on time, that is. And I kind of don't want to really say, but I'm turning 30 years old, boys. Still young, but man, I feel like it's a big step. So that's why I wanted to shave. I wanted to try to make myself feel and look a bit younger. I think I pulled it off. What do you guys think, though? Shaved or a beard? I need a little bit of a tan because I've had that beard for so long. But anyways, guys, so we're pulling in the garage right now. I want to try to knock out a quick little video for you guys, but something that's also going to make a bit of a difference on the interior of the car. So today, guys, we're going to go ahead and get this piece removed. As you can see, it's like really warped like that. So I want to get that removed, fix that, and then I'm going to also get it wrapped in velvet to match that and the armrest. So if you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to smash that subscribe button. We are on our way to 3,000 subscribers, and hit that thumbs up if you guys enjoy this video or find it helpful. And let's get into it, guys. All right, guys, so I've never removed this before, but I was looking up some pictures. It seems like we should just drop this right here, have a screw here, 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 and right there. And then I believe it should pop out, but we'll find out. Oh, let me close that up. You guys are gonna find my stash. Yeah, and then it should all come out, I believe, but I'm not 100% sure. So we're gonna pretty much learn as we go. Try to ignore the TV, guys. We got Family Guy playing in the background. But so I looked it up. Oh, okay, so this just pops out. Okay, there we go. So yeah, you're gonna remove those. That's gonna pop out, and looks like we're gonna have this one right here, one right here, and then my guess is there's probably, no, it doesn't look like it. So let's go ahead and get this one removed and this removed, and let's see if that brings out this entire system. All right, so after getting that removed, let's see. Let's see. It seems like there's either a clip up here, or maybe this pops off. Let's try to get this removed. Don't know if this comes off. Let me try to figure it out, and then we'll go from there. So it's coming out. Yeah, it's all moving. It looks like it's just like something's holding it in. I don't believe there's any more screws. As you can see, it's off. This was so frail, it broke off, but it's just this side piece, so I'm not really worried about it. But it's because this actually has to come out, because this is attached. This piece right here is attached to here, and then this is underneath there. But that was pretty much the struggle. So let me go ahead and, oh, and there we go. And now we just got to unhook that, and we're pretty much golden. So that's pretty much it. Pretty easy, to be honest. It was hard because I couldn't figure it out, but yeah, unfortunately that whole piece needs to come out to make this coming out easier. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get this piece removed, and it looks like to do that we're just gonna have some screws. So let's go ahead and get all of that off. All right, so I got everything apart. Hopefully I could figure out how to put it all back together. Thinking about it, I don't know if I don't think I'm gonna wrap this part. I think I'm just gonna do that. But as you can see, it is lifting right here. The reason for it, I don't know yet. So I think what I'm gonna do now is remove all of these screws that are all in here and see if it can remove this. And then I'm gonna figure out a way to get it to stay. And then we'll kind of just figure it out from there. All right, and after removing all of those screws, you can see right here, this plastic piece did come off of the back right here, and that's about as far down as we can take it. So now I just need to figure out how I'm gonna get it to stay. I could use some type of glue, or I could do, I know this might seem pretty jank, but you won't notice it when it's all done. But I could go ahead and kind of throw down a couple of screws in there to go through the plastic and hold it in place throughout. And then of course when we wrap it, you shouldn't be able to see it. Let me try to figure out, I don't know what they even did. It's just like, maybe it's glued on, I don't know, because it doesn't even look like it's glued on at all. And my adhesive that I have, my Loctite adhesive over there, is not gonna be strong enough, I already know, to hold this. So let me try to figure out what I can do, and then we'll pick up the camera from there. All right, guys, so I didn't really know what else to do, so I did just put 4 screws in, and now it's straight. And I didn't make it super tight to where it left an indent. So does it bulge up just a tiny bit? Yes, it does, but once you put this velvet over it, all right, it will literally hide it. Like you won't be able to tell at all. So I'm happy about that. So let's go ahead and get the velvet cut to shape. And then what I'm gonna be using is this Loctite spray adhesive. I hope I have another one somewhere because this is empty. But it's Loctite spray adhesive, high performance, high initial tack. And that's what I'm gonna be using. So what you guys wanna do is make sure you coat both, or coat this and then coat this. Let it sit for about 10 seconds, coat it again, let it sit for another 10 seconds, and then put it on. You wanna let it build that tackiness. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do right now. All right, so let that build up. There it is. Came out really good. Like I said, you can't even tell where the screws are. I mean, it looks so good. So everything's just pretty much tucked like this. So let's go ahead now, and it's gonna take probably the rest of this day to dry and stuff, but I'm going to try and get it put back together, and hopefully I don't mess anything up. But so let's go ahead and assemble it back together with this, and then get everything put back together how it should, and then get it back in the car. There we go, guys. Everything is put back together, and this is the new product. I think it looks good. Got a little dirty while laying down, but sweet. So let's go ahead and get this back in the car and see how she looks. And there it is, guys. Let's go ahead and close the door. Pretty dark in here, actually. Can't really see much. But yes, there she is, guys. Super stoked. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. So now all of this is nice and clean. Doesn't bulge up like it was. It matches the pillars. It matches the armrest. Sweet. Comment down below if you guys think I should do anything else in here. I don't know if the glove box, or I don't want to do like overkill. I think what I have right now is pretty nice with just the pillars and then this right here and then the armrest. But definitely let me know what you guys think. She looks good. Super happy. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I know it was fairly short, not too much involved. If you guys watched my previous video, you guys know I talked about how I'm not really gonna be able to create a whole lot of content as of right now, because on the 28th of March, it is going to be our last day here. I am still packing. As you can see, we got boxes. Everything's pretty much packed up. Don't really have very many of my tools out, but stay tuned, because once we do get into the new place and get situated, we're gonna have a lot of badass content to come out. A lot of cool things coming with the car, possibly some new wheels. I don't know. I'm super excited though, that's for damn sure. A lot of good stuff to come, guys. Don't miss it. Smash that thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful on how to remove that piece, or if you guys just liked pretty much what it is I did with the console. And smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned for a lot more, guys. I hope to catch you all in the next one. Until next time, as always, peace out.